All right. So obviously, one of the important features of quizzes is the ability to either make or edit your quiz. So generally, will be far easier to find a quiz that kind of meets your needs, as we showed you in the last video, than edit that to meet your specific needs. But you could also create one from scratch. So to create, go to create. We're going to stick with quizzes for now. There is a new lesson feature, but it's kind of new, so you could explore that on your own. But you put in the name, choose a subject, and then you go through and just add questions. So multiple choice, checkbox, fill in the blank, open-ended, poll, and you can also insert slides. That's kind of that lesson component if you want to give your kids some information, then ask them questions about that afterwards. So multiple choice. Now they say you could insert video or audio. That's only for premium, so you're stuck with either just typing in plain text, inserting math equations, which is very handy, or inserting an image if you wanted to have a question based on an image. So we'll keep things simple here, and then go through, populate your multiple choice answers. Again, you could put in math formulas for your answers, and you could also add images as answers if that makes sense. You'll also see anywhere you see these little lightning bolts, that means that is also a premium feature, so we don't have access to that. Once you're done with that question, it kind of gives you an example of what it looks like. Hit save. Oh, obviously, yeah, we do have to tell which one's the right one. There we go. Then hit save. Now you have a question. Repeat that as much as necessary so to get your quiz complete. And then when you're done, hit done. You can choose where you want to save it to, what grades it's good for, all that good stuff. So it's nice and organized in your library. And then the other option, of course, would be to edit a quiz you've already found. So we already showed you how to find a quiz. One of those quizzes I did find was my data analysis and graphing quiz. So kind of same concept, open it up. From here, I can edit the quiz. So if I want to, take the base of what somebody else has done, but just put my own spin on it, I could go through and either edit individual questions. I could delete questions if I don't like them, or if I like all their questions, I just want to add some of my own. Kind of the same thing from that last part. New question, choose your option, go through. So again, we'll say, what does this graph show? That seems like a good question, right? Then you go find an image, you search for it from your computer if you already have it, or if you have a link from Google Images or whatever, drop it right in there. Same thing, go through, populate your answers. I'm just going to pretend I'm doing this one. So we'll cancel, but you would want to hit save. And then same thing, once you're done editing a previously made one, hit done. Then all of these things will be available in your library. So there's my new sample quiz I just made from scratch. And then here is my edited pre-made quiz that I just fixed up. So once you have that, you are ready to share these with your students, which we will show you next.